88 Kilo.
This is the ears. The opening at the back. It's just a little restless, but it will calm down in a moment.
Take one with my camera, please.
There you go, man. Just please hand as flat as possible. Roll the lids of some of the food roll.
Ouch! You took my thumb.
Vicky, closer to it, please. There you go. Alright.
Sorry.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, if nobody else would like to stand on the eggs, please join us and move down this pathway until we reach the windmills. You know how much that is?
Oh, yeah. So what you can do is take out.
The house from the outside, and also on the side of the road, on your way to the house, there's a couple of pictures.
Let's wait till it comes back. On the back of the camera, you got ostrich spit. Did you see this?